Jessica Kalea, and in the future I would like to be an F1 driver.
L-aspirazzjoni tagħha hija li fil-futur it-tella waqt il-Formula 1. Tellieqa dominata mill-irġiel. Il-passjoni tagħha l-isport bdiet meta kellha biss 8 snin u li jkollha ġenituri li huma wkoll sewwieqa tal-karozzi. Minkejja l-età tagħha hija diġà kisbet bosta trofej.
Abroad we are a total of 60, but there are 55 boys and 5 girls in the last race that I did. Shouldn't make a difference because you're girls and you can do whatever you want. You have to have the courage to continue doing what you love. I feel like I'm where I should be because for me, the track, the kart is where I belong.
Id-determinazzjoni u t-talent ta' Jessica ġew rikonoxxuti fuq livell internazzjonali bin-nomina tagħha għal Lion Dames Young Talent, nomina mistħoq għad-determinazzjoni li wrid Jessica li baqgħet tikkompeti anke meta kienet midruba.
I broke my hand in gym and I couldn't drive, and when it healed the next week and I had a race, and that race I crashed and my hand kind of snapped again because it was just healing, but I still went to go race, and in that race I came second with my hand hurting.
Jessica tittama illi fl-2025 tkun tista' twettaq aktar ħolm f'ħajjitha. Qalet lil TBM News li l-kompetizzjonijiet internazzjonali żraw fiha l-abilità li tikber mentalment, fiżikament u emozjonalment u tisħaq li dan l-isport jistħoqlu aktar attenzjoni.
It's always about football, which is good, but they don't show about other sports, and we need to have more sports like karting, because in karting a lot of things are happening, which is very good to show Malta.